Hey guys, this is Evan here with Detail King, and today we're going to be talking about ceramic coating maintenance. If you've invested the money or the time to get your vehicle ceramic coated, you want to take care of it the right way so that it maintains those crazy water beading properties and the gloss that it has when it's first installed. Quite frankly, if you don't do this maintenance the proper way, you'll lose those effects over time, and really it defeats the point of the ceramic coating altogether. So we're going to talk today about how to properly maintain your coating and the products you're going to want to use to do so. For the chemicals that we're going to be using today, I can't re-emphasize enough to make sure that you're using the proper products when you're maintaining your ceramic coating. Traditional protection like carnauba waxes and paint sealants do not coincide with a ceramic coating. They'll actually clog the coating and cause it to perform poorly, and really this defeats the purpose of the ceramic coating altogether. So for the best results, you're going to want to use products that are more chemically similar to the ceramic coating itself for the best performance. And that's what we have here in front of us. So starting with the basics, our Detox Wash and Seal Car Wash Soap. So this is going to be our new car wash soap once our vehicle has a ceramic coating on it. Detox Wash and Seal replaces that carnauba wax and polymer sealant with silica-based products, which are the same chemical makeup that the coating itself is comprised of. Reboot is going to be our maintenance spray or our top-off spray for after the vehicle has been washed and dried. This is going to add a top coat, if you will, to the ceramic coating or a temporary barrier until our next in-depth wash up. Next, we have our Silica waterless wash, which, as the name would imply, is going to be our new waterless wash or spray detailer. This is good for in-between maintenance washes like we're going to perform today. So we'll start our wash-up process with a quick pre-rinse to get the large dirt and debris off of the vehicle and serve as a lubricant for our car wash soap in our next step. Then we'll set up our double bucket dolly system with putting some Detox soap into our wash bucket and some fresh clean water in our rinse bucket. But I typically like to start at the top, which is usually a little bit cleaner, and then work my way down the vehicle towards the bottom. I also like to have a second mitt or a microfiber towel for the lower sections of the vehicle where there's usually a little more dirt, and that also includes the front and rear bumper. It's also a good idea to keep your wheel bucket completely separate from your wash soap. Next, we'll do a quick rinse to get all that dirt and soap off the car before drying with our nice Rag Company Gauntlet drying towel. If you have the luxury of forced air drying like our Master Blaster Revolution, you can skip the towel altogether, as a freshly coated vehicle sheds water very easily to where you don't even need to use a drying towel. Lastly, we'll apply our Reboot spray, which is going to add a nice top coat to our ceramic and serve as kind of a barrier until our next wash up. So as mentioned, in between washes, you can use the Silica waterless wash as your quick detailer. You want to use it with a high quality microfiber towel like the Rag Company Creature towel and work in long sweeping motions as opposed to circular buffing motions. Let the weight of the towel do the work for you and don't push to avoid marring or scratching the finish. All right guys, so we got our maintenance wash completed, got everything dried up, and then installed our Reboot top coat spray. And as you can see, this is just as easy as any normal car wash if you use the right supplies. And with that said, if you keep on top of your maintenance on your ceramic coating, it'll last for years to come, and it'll look like it just came out of the shop yesterday. If you'd like to check out any of the products we used in today's video, check out the links below. We'll have links to everything on our website and where you can find it. If you have any questions about today's video, feel free to ask us. We'd be glad to answer anything that we weren't able to cover in the video. And let us know what you'd like to see next time. We're always trying to come out with exciting new content for you guys, so let us know what you'd like to see us work on next. Thanks for tuning in to Detail King today, guys, and we'll see you later.